Trends, topics, and tags for today. This happened in the UK. A woman says that her neighbor invaded her right to privacy by having a Ring doorbell camera on.
Yeah.
Now, she says that her neighbor records her across the street going in and out of her house without permission.
So the neighbor says he isn't intending to record her. It's there for his safety, and he shouldn't need to have her permission to record his property when she happens to be in the background. So this is her not in the background, but like walking up to it, maybe arguing with him, like, I don't like this.
This is her confronting him,
saying,
and they're
this
talking.
This is a doorbell, an invasion of privacy. Wow, okay.
So she lives in back there, somewhere
but so do
back
a lot
there.
of people.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a lot of front doors. Like apartments or whatever is happening right there.
Got a lot of comments on this.
Isn't this like an everyday thing in neighborhoods? If you have a neighbor across the street from you, wouldn't they be in your background? Wow, okay. Stephanie says, in today's world, this is a necessity.
And this is what Teresa says. I think it is good to have it for protection, but she does have a point.
Cindy says if someone breaks into her house, Cindy, she will be coming back asking for those recordings, okay? If you haven't heard a recent, 48 hours or something, that's what happens in these cases.
Yeah,
Neighbors, doorbells, cameras help solve crime.
Exactly.
All the time.
Seriously.
What is she trying to hide, asked Judy.
Yeah, Judy, that's good too. Jane says it's a safety device and she should be grateful because if someone was trying to get into her house, her neighbor could report it. Yeah, then there'd be proof.
I think, if something happens to your neighbor, the first thing they do is they come over and say, hey, do you have a Ring doorbell or something that may have, I got a car broken into or whatever it is.
Or people hit their mailboxes. This happens in neighborhoods daily.
Or kids spooning or knifing your yard. Then we want the cameras.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm kidding. We had some neighbors that, went across the street from me, and they got in and broke into their car.
Yeah.
And he asked if I had.
Right.
And I said, yes, I have a lot of cameras up. And I said, sure, I've got cameras. Yeah, so anyway.
See?
And it's good.
I think it's helpful, too.
For sure.